Super weather.
Welcome back to Midwest Access. I'm meteorologist Sarah Gannon. We continue to track shower and thunderstorm activity across portions of southern Minnesota and northern Iowa with what's going to be active late week for the region. Looking at your future tracker radar, we are keeping an eye on some moderate to heavy rainfall across portions of the region, and we'll get a closer look here at all of that action. Right now, things on the drier side here for the Rochester area. We'll check in on Winona, Houston County, even portions of Fillmore County right now, looking at some moderate, some heavy rainfall. Some thunderstorm activity moving through the Caledonia region at this point in time. As we look a little bit further south here into North Iowa, some heavy rainfall through Riceville, Osage, back south of the Elma area. We're looking towards Charles City, also some moderate rainfall as well. A bit of a stronger area of some heavier rainfall just south of the Cresco area there into portions of Chickasaw County. So some good rainfall out there at this point in time. The next big thing, though, is going to be the possibility of some strong to severe thunderstorm activity for your Friday. We'll take a look at that severe storm outlook out by the Storm Prediction Center. This is a level 2 out of a level 5 severe threat for the local area for Friday. More of a conditional threat, though, for Friday, and this will be dependent on how storms tonight and tomorrow morning play out. If we see more storms coming through, lesser chance for that severe threat for Friday. However, if things don't really come to fruition much heading into tomorrow morning, better chance at some severe activity here come Friday evening. So let's take a look at what we know so far. And what we do know is that that severe threat, while conditional, limited, but not zero. So still kind of a question mark on that severe potential for tomorrow. And like I said, depending on how storms play out tonight and tomorrow. Should we see that severe storm activity, though, become possible and happen in the area, main threats would be wind and hail. Those would be the two primary threats for us here in southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. So no first alert date just yet, but again, continue to keep a very close eye on the forecast. Let's put things into motion here with Future Track for the rest of tonight. We'll continue to see those isolated showers and thunderstorms rumbling through the dinner time hour. So plan on a wet evening, especially if you're south of I-90. Things kind of breaking apart, but we will still look to see the chance for some off and on shower and thunderstorm activity overnight and then extending into Friday morning. And again, depending on how things play out come Friday morning will be dependent on how Friday evening's chance comes about as well for severe activity. But heading into the afternoon, evening hours, could be looking at that severe potential for the region. So monitoring that situation very closely for your Friday. Keep an eye on the forecast very closely. Things looking to be warm heading into this weekend. Some sunshine, maybe a few stray shower and thunderstorm chances Sunday, extending into Monday. But then the focus shifting away from rain to heat as temperatures approach 90 later next week. That's a look at your first alert weather.
Don't forget your umbrella.